Hello guys, today I am going to unbox and review Sony headphones, and the model number is MDR ex150ap, and it comes with a price of 1490, but I got this only of rupees approximately 800, which is fine. Okay, so open this box from the bottom, and so after opening the box, what I have, the box itself, and Sony manual, wire manager, earbuds, and of course the beautiful Sony headphones here. So let's start with the box. At the front of the box you can see Sony mentions less sound leakage structure for these earphones and stereo headphones. You can use these headphones with Android, iPhone and BlackBerry, etc, etc. At the back of the box, Sony gives 1 year of warranty and with a notice of legal and illegal distributors. Next we have manual, which we got from Sony, and it describes how you can use these headphones, and if you are a technical guy, just must read this manual. Next I got one wire manager. So you can use this to resolve the problem of tangling. You can use this like this. Okay, put one is here and second one is like this, then pull it here and just tangle around these like this. Next I have in the list the Sony headphone itself. Okay, so by look and feel you can see like these look like a premium headphones, and Sony logo is printed on them. To avoid any confusion with which you should put in your left and right, Sony gives indications of left and right on the headphones itself. And now let's talk about its build quality. So these are made up of simple plastic and fitted with one rubber, as you can see here, and earbuds are quite soft and they are comfortable. Yes, surely they are comfortable. I use them, they are comfortable. You can listen music long time without hurting your ears. Let's have a look on this mic. It has one button. You can use this to receive calls and disconnecting calls also, and if you want to play music you have just to press this button, and if you have to stop the music, then press this button. If you want to play next song in the playlist, then double tap this button. And one more feature is, like, if you want to start your Google search, then you have to just long press this. So these are good functions with this mics here. It has a 3.5 mm jack to connect with your devices, which support 3.0 mm audio jacks. Regarding the wire quality, I'm not happy with the wire quality because I don't like this wire quality. I don't know the material, but it's definitely not looks good at all. So in terms of wire quality, it is a decent, not very good one. Along with the headphones, Sony provides 3 extra earbuds with them. The quality of these earbuds is very good. These are comfortable to the ears. You can use them very easily, and I like this bass here. The bass of these earbuds are pretty good and pretty strong. Now at last, let's talk about the sound quality of these headphones. Actually, I am expecting more sound quality from these headphones. Bass support is not good in these headphones. If you are a bass lover, then I will suggest not to buy these headphones because they provide a very less bass effect. And if you love to listen some romantic song or sad song or sufi songs, then you can buy these headphones.